Hi, good morning. We are at day 3 at Electronica and Productronica 2024, and we have with us Mr. Rakesh Kumar from WinSource, and we'll be having a short conversation with them. How are you doing, Rakesh, sir, today?
Yeah, I'm doing good, and thanks for coming to our booth and showcasing our company capabilities.
Yeah, a pleasure, sir. So, I'd like to know a bit about WinSource and the product profile that you are featuring this time at Electronica.
So, WinSource is a Shenzhen, China-based company, and it's a 25-year-old company. And our global ranking is 16th among top 50 distributors. And we have offices across the globe, and we are one of the second largest company in Asia in global ranking. Also, our ranking is second largest in Asian ranking, and we are seeing a very good response in Electronica, where the people are coming and recognizing our brand, and a lot of our existing customers and new customers are potential customers is visiting, and we are finding it's a very good platform to showcase our capabilities.
So WinSource is actually known for finding obsolete, hard to find, and authentic electronic components. If you could elaborate on that.
Yes, so WinSource have a lot of capabilities, but one of the capabilities is to find the hard to find obsolete parts, and because the reason is like we have experience in sourcing of 25 years, and we are working with a lot of suppliers across the globe, and we have a huge database of the suppliers, and our team is very much experienced, and they know which components are coming from which supplier. So we have a very good understanding of the market, and we are doing very good in finding obsolete, hard to find parts, and or last time buy parts.
Sir, can you elaborate on your market strategies in the Indian market? Especially now we have so many global online component distributors already that are there in the sector. So is it getting denser?
So Indian market is a very big market. As per the data, it shows like potential of approx 80 to 90 billion industry of electronics component, and there is a huge number of distributors, authorized distributors, manufacturers, online catalog distributors. So WinSource, yeah, we cannot say that we are competing with everyone, because we have our unique strategies and we have our unique strength. So if we see the unique our website, it's a very one of the user friendly website where we are posting 1 million plus inventory and representing 3,500 plus manufacturers over there. Apart from that, our websites have a very good attributes, like you can download the data sheet, and if you want, you can online order the parts over there, and you can get the delivery within 24 to 48 hours with the 2 years warranty, and we have all the certifications, and all the parts which we are shipping, it's come with the all the test reports. Apart from that, we are expanding our offices and warehouses. So we have offices in US, in Europe, in Asia, and in terms of warehouses, we have warehouses in Shenzhen, and apart from that, we have warehouses in Hong Kong and in Philippines. So we have a plan to open the warehouses in other parts of world, like in Europe and US. Apart from infrastructure building, we have our online training platform for the employees, and we launch a lot of courses that is called WinSource University, where the employees are coming and they are learning new things, like they are learning the sales technique, purchasing techniques, quality related things, and market conditions. So we are very much focusing on the training the employees so that they can well aware about the information about the market, about the customers, how we service the customers. So we are just doing all the activities so that it will become a very much one of the known brand, so that in terms of serving the customers and employee wise also.
So you also mentioned about certifications. So I wanted to know, how do you maintain quality and safety of the products that you source?
Yes, so as I mentioned that WinSource is a 25-year-old company and is a Shenzhen-based company, and as per the world import data, 70% components all over the world is going from Shenzhen and China parts, and we know this market very well, and we have a very long-term relationship with the suppliers, and we are sourcing the parts from OEM, EMS, and then very authorized, well-known authorized distributors, and the stockist. and we have a long-term relationship. And the parts, once it comes to our the warehouse, then we are doing our own testing on the parts. So we have our own equipments over there, and we have all the certifications, ISO certification and AS9120V certifications. So we are doing all the parts testing before shipping to the customers. Once parts test done, we are sharing the test report with the customer, and we are shipping the parts with the warranty. So till now we don't have any failure rate on the parts. All the parts whatever we are shipping, it's a genuine high quality parts, and we are fulfilling all the benchmark which is decided by all the quality standard bodies across the globe.
Sir, my next question is about your sales network. What kind of sales network do you wish to have in India, and how do you want to grow in the next few years in India specifically?
So in India, basically, India is known for the relationship-based marketing. Because right now, if anyone comes to India, people don't buy immediately because they need some time to understand the company, to understand the people. And because I have a 15 years of experience in this industry, and I have a very good, strong customer base, and we hired the people who are in this industry from a long time. So we are just using our old existing relationship to build new customers. Even the company is also 25-year-old company, and they have a lot of customers in India. So it's a mixed kind of relationship we are doing, like company relationship, our relationship, and we are getting a lot of business from the Indian market. So till now we have more than 500 plus customers coming to us and doing the business with us. And we are planning to expand more because right now there is a lot of market is booming. So like electronic vehicle, EVs are there, electric vehicles are there, and then you can see IoT, and then you can say energy segments. So there is a lot of industries are booming at the same time, and we are a very good at a very good time here in India, so that we can capture more and more customers from these booming industries.
So you spoke about EVs and IoTs. So I would want to know the domains that you focus on, the distribution channels, of course, of the products, but what domains specifically that WinSource focuses on?
So basically, we are targeting all the domain where there will be a mass production happening. So suppose if you see automotive segments, automotive segment is the backbone of the Indian economy. Apart from that, consumer electronics, it is also the backbone where a lot of people are buying a lot of regular consumer electronics products. Apart from that, metering industries, metering everywhere, smart metering is in trend. So there is a lot of companies which are coming with the metering things. Apart from that, IoT, because right now 10 years back people are talking only about the IoT as it's kind of designing phase kind of thing, and it was like for the richer people in US or in Europe. It's a common trend that there. But now you see in 2-3 years in India, a lot of people are using IoT products where you are just giving the instruction to your AC to get on and off, and so everything is IoT based control products is coming now. So we are targeting all this kind of industry where there is a bulk production is happening, where there's a mass people are using the products. So this is our focus areas.
Sir, would you like to highlight any advantages that your customers have while dealing with WinSource? The kind of technical support that you give to the customers, or the local engagement that you have with your suppliers in that respect?
Yeah, so there is a lot of advantages we are giving to the customers if you come to the WinSource, because if you are buying from a small distributor or unknown distributor or some time of so the advantage what we are giving is first is the cost competitive. We are very much, our prices are very competitive to other distributors. Second thing is the quality of the products. Third, we are giving the lot of test reports. So our test report is so much detailed that customers can see the parts, every specification over there. Apart from that, we are giving the fast delivery, 24 to 48 hours. So many people are not able to give that because they have their shipment time is approx 1 week time on the logistics sides. So lot of advantages are there from our side, and we are giving our website is having a lot of data sheet also. So any design team or any team are looking for a new product, so they can find the data sheet over there. They can download it from there. So we have a huge traffic also on our website. So yes, we are giving a lot of advantages compared to small and medium sized distributors. So we have a lot of advantages to offering to the customers.
So you spoke about logistics. So my next question is, how do you plan to cater to tier 2 cities in India and maybe remote parts as well, especially in the northern and southern India?
So basically, all the production is not happening in the interior part of the cities. Maximum 90% or 80% production is happening in tier 1, tier 2 cities where there is a lot of accessibility of the DHL services, FedEx services, or courier services. They can deliver the parts. But yes, we are planning, if the customer is the interior part of India also, we can ship over there where the DHL possibly take the parts to them. So we are trying our best, and we are giving the trading platform also, like where you can come and just buy the parts from our website. So we are giving the technological accessibility, and we can logistic wise also we can ship to any customer, tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3 cities of India.
Sure. So my last question to you is, as a new entrant in the country, as a distributor, are there any possible challenges that you have faced, or any challenge that you foresee to face in the near future?
Yes, so few challenges are there because there is already existing distributors are there where they have a very they have offices from long time in India. They have a strong customer base over here, and they are doing a lot of high volume business with the customers. So being a new distributor in India market, being an offices in India market, so it will be initially some challenges because we are not getting a big bulk, a big amount of order first, because customer is testing first. They are giving some small POs to us. Once they have a trust, then they start sharing the big order with us. So yeah, it's a time taking process, but in 6 months time we already have a trust of a lot of customer on us. So we are just trying to ship and increase our business with them.
And just one more question, sir. So how has been the last 2 days at Electronica, and what do you expect in the last day?
So yeah, last 2 days it was very wonderful day because there is a lot of customers coming to our booth, and there is a lot of existing customers also. There is new customer also, they are coming here, and the good thing is they are recognize our brand. They are telling, yeah, we seen your stocks, your parts, your companies on the lot of websites, and they have information. So there is a brand awareness about our company among them. So once they come to us, they just decide how we can work together because they know us. So we don't have to much give introduction about us, who we are. So the presentation is like how we can increase the business with you. So how we can work on the payment terms, how we the delivery timelines. So it will be a good platform where we are meeting the customers. In 2 days time we meet like approx 100 to 200 people over here, and with the detailed discussion we have here. So this is definitely a good platform where we are not we don't have to go offices and offices. We are finding all the customer in one place. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for your times. Thank you. Thank you very much.